Hi, I'm Desiree with Starz LLC, and a friend of mine introduced me to Chandan and told me about the services he could provide. So I um, took a chance and I got to know him. I used a, um, a well known platform called WhatsApp to communicate with him as I am in Central North America and he is in India. And our time zone differences is about 12 and a half hours. And despite those differences, our communication was fluent. It was, there was no real barriers. He always got back to me quickly. He was very creative. My logo, Chanda and I ended up designing my logo as well as my website. And you can see my website at poolstarsllc.com. It is super amazing, more than I could have envisioned for myself, and I was very pleased with the work that he did. I would definitely recommend him to any of my friends or family. He also helped generate a lot of leads through lead generation through Facebook, and it made a huge difference in my business, as well as the um, the logo design was very nice. I was super happy with that. And he's fluent in English, so I would recommend him to all of my American friends for the price and the work that was done and the services provided and the pleasantness of working with Chandan. I would definitely rate him a 5-star and recommend him to anybody that I loved and cared for. So, yeah. Thank you, Chandan, for everything you've done.